phytochemicals are all basically engineered in one way or another to protect the plant from pest attack. Some of those phytochemicals can harm or affect the pest directly. Some of those chemicals actually release in clouds into the environment and signal predators and other animals to come in and attack those pests themselves. However, some of those phytochemicals are beneficial chemicals to humans as well, actually. A lot of antioxidants, for example, are some of these phytochemicals, and a lot of other vitamins and minerals that are found in plants are released by those plants or produced by those plants in the face of attack. And so actually, when a pest starts feeding on a plant, the first thing that plant does is it buffs up the amount and variety of those phytochemicals